पैडागोजी टीचर टेक्निक के सिलसिले में ये बहुत ही अहम वीडियो है जो कि पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, एनटीएस, एसपीएससी, केपीपीएससी और दीगर जितने भी इम्तहानात होते हैं जिनमें पैडागोजी के सवाल आते हैं तो उन सब के लिए ये वीडियो है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, टू स्टडी द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्निक्स कैन बी मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल यूज्ड। Its answer is option B, projective technique. Next question, what should teacher do after teaching the lesson? Its answer is option C, he should test the understanding of the students. Next question, the information about internet and computer makes children. Its answer is option B, increase the knowledge of the information. Next question, one of the students of a class hardly talks in a class. How would you encourage him to express himself? Its answer is option C, by organizing educational games, programs in which children feel like speaking. Next question, primary teachers should give top priority to. Its answer is option C, interaction with the parents. Option C is correct here. Next question, the best technique of teaching at primary stages. Its answer is option C, game technique. C is correct here. Next question, a student having scientific attitude. Its answer is option D, think rationally. Next question, when a teacher enters his class on the first day, the theme of discussion should be. Its answer is option D, introduction. Next question, according to Piaget theory of cognitive development, the formal operational stage starts at age. Its answer is option C, 11. Next question, according to Jean Piaget, children development abstract logic and reasoning skill during. Its answer is option D, formal operational stage. Option D is correct here. Next question, in cooperative method, teachers act as a delegator, mean the teacher act as an dash to the students. Its answer is option A, resource. Next question, to increase the confidence of the teacher. Its answer is option C, well preparation of the content is required. Next question, which type of person should enter in the field of teaching? Its answer is option B, devoted and laborious people. B is correct here. Next question, all of the following are the advantages of lecture strategy except. Its answer is option A, it will increase the oral communication power of pupils. Next question, major advantages of supervised study technique in that is that. Its answer is option C, self-learning habits and self-confidence can be developed in pupil. Next question, a very important quality of a good student is. Its answer is option C. Option D, to make an effort to understand what is taught in class. Option D is correct. Next question, the primary duty of a teacher is to be responsible to his or her students. Option A is correct here. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।